have editing abilities on that video?
On the computer, yeah.
Look at there's something flying way above. It's up there. See that? I wonder if that's a helicopter or is that a plane? Looks a plane.
That's a helicopter.
A helicopter?
Yeah, it's been flying around for a while.
No, it's probably photographing the
No,
fireworks.
he's way up higher than the fireworks. Yeah, nowhere near the fireworks. These fireworks are only going. They're only go. No, you can see them. But the fireworks only go up like 300 or 400 feet. He's up at 1,000 feet. He's way above it.